Hi, my name is Emma, and today I will teach you how to debug your Tracklution setup. Watch this video in order to understand how to troubleshoot when your events are not being tracked with Tracklution or being delivered to your ad and analytics platforms. First, check if your events are tracked in general by visiting the website Tracklution is installed in, and then go back to the Tracklution dashboard to see if your session appears there. Remember to refresh the page in order to check it. If it does not, your installation is not done correctly. To fix this, visit the installation instructions and make sure you have done everything according to the instructions. If the events are flowing to Tracklution in general, but you think you are missing some specific event, try recreating the event on your site and then see if it appears in Tracklution under your own session. If it does not, check if the Tracklution tag is firing. You can do this by opening the website inspector, navigating to the network tab, and then searching the Tracklution tag. If you don't see this kind of a tag that is tracking your event, it means the tag is not firing. This means that the installation is not done correctly. Revisit your installation instructions and make sure you have done everything according to the instructions. If you use Google Tag Manager for the installation, ensure that the trigger is correct in Google Tag Manager. If you think you are missing a specific event, for example an individual purchase, try first searching the event from the dashboard. When you search, it's very important to make sure you have no filters applied. Or, of course, you can have the date filter on if the event has happened already some time ago. Use the search to find the specific event. In this example, I'm looking for a purchase that was made by someone named Tim. If you don't see the specific event being tracked at all, try to recreate the event as similarly as possible as the customer did it. So for example, if you have many different payment methods, use the same payment method that the customer used. So you will understand if all purchases with this specific payment method are not tracked. Now we know how to troubleshoot the tracking, and we can learn how to troubleshoot conversion deliveries to ad and analytics platforms. If you have issues with Tracklution tracking less than your old setup, make sure that you are tracking the same events with the same triggers as before. And also that Tracklution is implemented with the same consent mode as the previous setup. If the events are tracked but not delivered, the first step is to make sure you have connected the ad platform with a connector. If that is done, scroll to the event log and open the event that should have been delivered. Make sure you have no filters applied, like event source, for example. This is because Tracklution marks only one source to the source column, but the conversion can be still delivered to multiple ad platforms. In the ad platform, the ad platform itself does the attribution according to your attribution rules. Tracklution uses last paid click attribution, so the source that you see in Tracklution might not match with what you see in the ad platform. For example, Google marks the sale to the day when the click came and Tracklution to the day when the purchase was made. Once you have found the event, you will see if the delivery has been successful or not. If you see an error, it means that the event was tried to be delivered, but it returned with an error. To find out what the error was, click the View button and open the payloads. In the payloads, you will see the error code. For example, this specific conversion was not sent to Meta because the access token could not be decrypted. So I need to check my Meta access token and ensure it is correct. If the error code itself is not too descriptive, you can find easily solutions by Googling the error code. We have also listed the most common ones in our troubleshooting part of our support documentation. No connector means that the event was not tried to be delivered. For Meta, TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, and Google Analytics 4, this is because someone has blocked the event from being delivered. This happens in the standard and custom events table in the settings. For Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, and LinkedIn, this can be because you have not created the conversion lists for this specific conversion event. Conversion lists are created in the connector settings. If you have a more specific problem with your events not appearing correctly in your ad and analytics platforms, please watch the video that we have created about connectors where we go through ad platform specific debugging. Some issues are fixed simply by making the DNS settings, so make sure you have also done that. If you are using webhooks to deliver data from other systems and you see the webhook event on the dashboard, but you suspect that it might not have the right source marked, it is most likely because it is not matched to the original website session. You are able to see if the webhook event was matched to another website session if there is this little arrow on the session below the timestamp. Then, when you open the session, click Show Parent Session and it will show the session where it was matched to. If there is no arrow, it means that the webhook was not attached to any previous website session. The reason is unlikely because there was no website session. It is more likely that there was no data that could have been used to match the sessions together. For example, if contact data like email is not collected from the original website session, the webhook event can't be matched to that session. If you don't find the webhook event at all, it means that the event was not sent to Tracklution. To troubleshoot this, check your installation again. So, when you suspect that something is wrong, go through this checklist to understand where the issue is. First, is the event tracked in Tracklution? Second, is the event tracked but not delivered? Third, is the event delivered but not attributed to the same date? Or you are not looking at the same pixel where Tracklution delivers data to. If you go through that checklist and you still don't find where the issue is, you can always contact us and ask for help. That's it for this time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.